Part 28 of my solo cross-country ride on my Tiger. Riding in Oregon and Washington, Lewis and Clark country. Between Mount Hood and Mount St. Helens, with awesome views of both. And along the majestic Columbia River.
Very pretty. Is that Mount St. Helens in front of me? That's pretty cool. Since Mount Hood is behind me, I'm going to assume that's Mount St. Helens. And I am heading towards Mount St. Helens. Mount Hood, Oregon Scenic Byway. Yes, it is. Beautiful. And it warmed up. I'm almost afraid to take off my jacket liner because I don't know if it's going to get cool again, because I am going up the mountain, the next mountain. I'm thinking it should get cool. Very pretty. Mount Hood behind me. Okay. I'm not sure where my GoPro lines up with this. Wow, beautiful. And Mount St. Helens. Very cool. That is beautiful. On ethanol gas, 91. Ain't it working? Awesome. Was not expecting that. Especially at small town pump, kind of middle of nowhere. I am happy. My bike is happy. Oh wow. Mount Hood behind. Mount St. Helens in front. This is gorgeous. Mount Hood behind me, Mount St. Helens in front of me. Pretty. And this is the Columbia River, I believe, in front of me. Hello. I might need change. Hang on, sorry. Sorry. Okay, thanks. Thank you. All right, bye. Metal bridge deck. There we go. Yeah, this is a little weird, isn't it? Little strange. Are we really metal all the way across? Can we have like one patch of... Wow. Solid. Alright, well, I'm a little bit interested. What tires do people suggest are best for this? I don't know if 50-50 would be worse or better. I am flying around a little bit on this stuff. Okay, sorry. Oh my goodness. Very pretty. White Salmon River. Wow, that's better. Cooling off. You know that I'm moving? Oh, there's Mount Hood. Very cool. I didn't realize I would be able to see it from here. That is very pretty. There, we have a tunnel. Ah, there's a tunnel up there too. I'm assuming for the train. which is a short tunnel. Wow, beautiful. Another tunnel. A little bit of vertigo. Kind of weird. Oh, this is just so beautiful. Very cool little island. Yeah, lots of fishing. That's what I remember last time I was here. Popular fishing spot to this entire river. The railroad track is stopping our view of the river, which is too bad. But we do have a little inlet. Very pretty. On the south side of the river is Oregon, and I am in Washington State. And I believe the Columbia River is the river that Lewis and Clark went down pretty much from the beginning of Oregon, Washington, east of that. I'm not sure exactly where the river starts, and all the way to the Pacific Ocean. I have not been on this side of the river before. I have done the historic Columbia River Highway, I believe it's called, something like that, on the other side. This scenery is amazing. All day the scenery has been amazing. Well, for several days the scenery has been amazing. Wow. And I keep saying this, but I'm so lucky to have such good weather. The last time I made this trip, I went a different route, I usually do, but I did have at least a little bit of rain every day. It was about a month earlier in the at the end of May, last time I did this. And yeah, pretty much rained every day, which is to be expected in spring. So that's okay. I had rain gear and it wasn't pouring. I didn't get 100% soaked. So it was all good. This trip, I don't think I've had any rain. And I don't know if that's actually ever happened before. Yeah, very nice. Getting spoiled, but loving it. Wow, that is pretty. Wind River Highway. That sounds promising. Motorcycles use extreme caution. Okay. Why? Welcome to Carson. Yay. The temperature keeps going up and down. And I keep thinking I'm going up the mountain, it's going to get colder. I'm enjoying the temperature. It's just interesting. This is cute. Oops, stop sign. Actually, that would probably be good. Alright, where is that deli? Because I am hungry. No one's coming, I'm good. Had a really nice sandwich and coffee. And off to the backside of Mount St. Helens. That probably doesn't sound too good. Okay, well I needed that coffee. Halfway through the day I tend to kind of zone out, and I needed some food, so that was perfect. Okay, I've got lots of gas, tires are good, I'm happy. Just warmed up to 81 degrees, which is beautiful. Because the air is a tiny bit cool for 81. This is not correct. Wow, that's a Deep gorge, I can't even see the bottom. Elk next 4 mile. See some Washington State logging.
Hit like, subscribe, share, and add a comment below. Thanks for watching. Follow me on social media.